Hello fellow modelers, in this video I'm going to build a powerful spraying box. I use a lot of chemicals, which are not 100% safety for my health. You can use basic spray mask, of course, but I recommend mask with a more superior filters. And mainly for large model is handy spraying box. You can buy ugly, expensive and weak or try made powerful from scratch, like me. I made it in 2 days, so it was straightforward. You only need some material like wooden boards. I use cheap spruce boards with a 2 cm thickness. Then a few strong DC 12 volts fans. I purchased fans with ball bearings, so they are relatively quiet. And the 12 volts power supply. I do not need full speed for the whole time, so good feature is manual speed regulator and power switch. And of course a lot of screws and nuts for box and fans, but also putty and brown stain for wood. So let's build the box. I draw dimensions, add wood. You can download the blueprint which you find at video description, but you can easily set smaller dimensions or make easier shapes. Also, it is not a problem to use only 1 or 2 fans. Now I try to cut wood at 30 years old homemade circular saw. It is not perfect, but at least cut is relatively straight. I have basic shapes of the box, so now I need to cut out the holes for fans. I use for this purpose jigsaw. The cut is not very clean, therefore I smooth edges with a sandpaper and correct shape with a metal file. And one more hole for backside ventilation. I think I should have done simple block with a right angle, because in this case it's difficult to cut out a straight 35-degree angle only with a handsaw. At least I have some experience with a putty. Here are parts for spraying box, so now it only remains to assemble the whole kit. I like working with wood. One side fit quite well, but the kit has some fitting issues on the other. I think the manufacturer of this kit is not good with a handsaw. Therefore, I fill gaps with a 2-component polyester putty for wood and let it dry properly for 6 hours. So now it's time for painting. I like chestnut shade, so I stain spruce wood with it and then fix the result with a semi-gloss acrylic varnish. I let it dry for 2 hours. So finally, I install fans and plastic covers. I use Johnsen fans with a 12 cm diameter, and airflow of each fan is 184 cubic meters per hour. So if you have 4 of them, it is enough for a small room. Just one more trick, I cover a circuit board with a hot melt glue gun, otherwise dust is accumulated inside and could create a shortcut. I decided to upgrade airflow inside the box with a couple line board. Now it only remains to connect all wires and install flexible spiral ventilation air hose. You can simply buy one in house supply store, but I use an old one from Fengda spraying box. I have a nice small wooden box which will be perfect for all electronics. The DC speed regulator I purchased from eBay for $2. It is universal circuit up to 70 volts and max 5 amps. So you can use even more powerful fans if you want. And I connect ordinary power switch. I installed the whole box with electronics under my table, so I can easily turn on or regulate speed comfortably from my chair. I am a lazy guy. You can pull out air nozzle from the window, but I have a sunroof, so I also made a triangle extension 1 year ago. And if you live in the city, I think it's useful at a microfilter. So that is all, thanks for watching. And in the end, a small test of the airflow. I hold incense sticks 60 centimeters out of the box, so it nicely demonstrates that it actually works quite well.